तो मैं निकल चुकी हूँ द फर्स्ट तो पहला काम देखने का, टू सी माई पेरेंट्स दे ऑल राइट, एंड हियर वी आर इन द कॉलोनी। और ये सूर्यदेव है, नमस्तुते, प्रणाम, नमस्कार और सलाम और दुआ आप लोगों को। श्री स्वामी समर्थ। तो फिलहाल कॉलोनी तो अभी खाली दिख रही है, सुबह का वक्त है। स्वामी को प्रणाम करती हूँ और यहाँ से चलिए देखते हैं आगे क्या क्या चल रहा है। Oh God, let me take the bigger route so that I can walk and stretch and come to life. It's no longer 9 to 5, the way of living. It's a semi-retired state of life now. I used to work a lot. And coming from working a lot to reducing it by 30%, 40% or 20% has been very, very, very difficult. बहुत कुछ जब इंसान काम करता है तो बहुत कुछ एस्केप कर लेता है लाइफ में। बहुत सारे इंसिडेंसेस जो घर में हो रहे होते हैं हमको पता ही नहीं चलता, माँ बाप के साथ हो रहे होते हैं पता ही नहीं चलता, कौन आया कौन गया पता ही नहीं चलता। माँ बाप अपनी दुनिया में रहते हैं, हम अपनी दुनिया में रहते हैं। दे आर इन द 50s एंड आई एम इन माई प्राइम, बट till 55 I was like working like a, so when you're working you're not aware of it. So what's happening, and everything starts sinking when someone falls sick, your father falls sick, your mother falls sick, or your child requires you, and then bang, you are like the reality check. Hi meow, hi meow, meow, meow. So she meows at me, so I didn't meow at her. So जब तक हम इतना बिजी रहते मैं दिन रात ऑपरेशन थिएटर, because that was my passion, and whenever there is a passion your life, it's like a meditation, it's like Vipassana. You don't कैसे हो भैया, you don't know anything else. It's a nice morning, it's a lovely morning. जब तक आप पैशन में रहते हैं आपको कुछ अवेयरनेस नहीं रहता है, और जब दुनिया की जब things start falling apart, suddenly people play politics at your work and you are not you're told to leave, and then you are not even, you have been the best worker of that place, and then people start thinking that let's kill the golden goose. Then you realize, oh God, एक दिन में लाइफ पलट गई, एक दिन में लोग पलट गए, फिर कोई बीमार पड़ गया, then you are aware, oh God, my father has Parkinson's, oh God, my mother is not happy, oh God, my child needs me, my child has been here and there for finding her own way, and she has been lost, and I didn't even know in the 3 years what she was doing, because she told not to give her space, and I gave her space, and I took my space, and I did work a lot, and I did a lot of things, lot of surgery, lot of teaching. मैंने बहुत सारे surgeons को बनाए हैं, मतलब उनको हाथ पकड़ के सिखाया है. I have written a book, I did all the things I could do till life got me. Bang! So, with a fault in my stars somewhere, and then things started to change. So slowing down has been very difficult, very, very difficult. Even today, my heart sinks, but somehow I try to cope up with it. I guess that's life. मेरे से भी ज़्यादा लोगों को तकलीफ़ होती होगी, पर मुझे तो तकलीफ़ हुई है और अभी भी होती है, पर I have to be strong for myself, and I don't want to lose myself, and for many other people I don't want to lose, because they are important at the moment and not me. The career of my child is important, my father, my parents' health are important, I am important too, and that is 30%. My career is important. I keep on studying now, instead of I keep on updating myself in my subjects. I read, I see other people's work. That's how I go on. I get tired, I get exhausted, but sometimes no one is coming to save you. Why? Have faith. Faith? Okay, I'll have faith. You guys have a good day. But that's a story of life, and इस मोड़ पर आ गए.